The Basilica of the Holy Cross in Jerusalem, Basilica di Santa Croce in Gerusalemme, is one of the 7 pilgrim churches of Rome and holds significant historical and religious importance. Here are key aspects of this basilica. The basilica was built in the 4th century AD by Emperor Constantine's mother, Saint Helena, to house relics of the Passion of Jesus Christ that she brought back from Jerusalem. Initially, it served as a private chapel within the Caesarean Palace, the residence of Saint Helena. Over time, it was converted into a public basilica. The basilica is famous for housing several important relics associated with the Passion of Christ, including fragments of the true cross, a nail used in the crucifixion, 2 thorns from the crown of thorns, and a part of the inscription replaced above Jesus' head on the cross. The chapel within the basilica contains soil from Jerusalem, further linking it to the Holy Land and the events of Christ's Passion. The basilica has undergone various renovations and restorations over the centuries, resulting in a mix of Romanesque and Baroque architectural styles. The current Baroque facade was designed by Pietro Passalacqua and Domenico Gregorini in the 18th century. The basilica features a richly decorated interior with beautiful frescoes, mosaics, and a coffered ceiling. Notable artists who contributed to its decoration include Antoniazzo Romano and Melozzo de Forlì. The apse contains a significant mosaic depicting the triumph of the cross. Chapel of St. Helena. This chapel is situated below the basilica and contains the soil from Jerusalem. It also houses the relics brought by St. Helena. Museum of the Holy Cross. Adjacent to the basilica, the museum displays the relics and other historical artifacts. As one of the 7 pilgrim churches of Rome, the Basilica of the Holy Cross in Jerusalem is a major destination for pilgrims, especially during the Holy Year and other significant liturgical celebrations. The basilica is located in the Esquilino district of Rome, near the Lateran Palace and the Basilica of St. John Lateran. It is accessible by public transportation, including the Rome Metro, Line A, San Giovanni Station, and buses. Open to visitors, the basilica is open to the public, and visitors can explore the church, the chapel of St. Helena, and the museum. The basilica's association with St. Helena and the relics of the Passion make it an important historical and religious site. The blend of Romanesque and Baroque elements, along with the significant artworks and relics, contribute to the basilica's cultural heritage. The Basilica of the Holy Cross in Jerusalem remains a place of profound spiritual significance and historical importance, attracting pilgrims and visitors from around the world who come to venerate its holy relics and appreciate its rich architectural and artistic legacy.
This is the chapel of St. Helena. This is the chapel of St. Helena. And this chapel and the church was built as directed by St. Helena. This is the soil from Jerusalem. The RELICS soil from Jerusalem. Saint Helena, the mother of Constantine, the first Christian emperor of Rome.
Please stay with us as we continue our pilgrimage to the holy shrines of Italy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.